Let's get real with your OEM exhaust brake system. The way the manufacturers are doing it now, they're putting the exhaust brake inside the turbo, the VGT turbo, and they're vane operated, they close, and they build back pressure in the motor. The problem is the Fords are very weak, the Chevys are very weak, and the Dodges work pretty good, but they're failing. They're causing the whole turbo to fail. And so here at Bundy Motors with the Sentinel Exhaust Brake System, we give you an option where if your turbo goes bad or it's not working very good, your exhaust brake's not working very good, that you can purchase a high performance aftermarket turbo, and then you put the Sentinel exhaust brake system behind it, and now you have a turbo that's going to hold up for the rest of your vehicle's life, and you have a very powerful exhaust brake system behind that working with it. And the good thing about it is it's about the same cost or a little less than just replacing your OEM turbo.